Okay, 7.4 is one of those sections that you have because you're in honors geometry, whereas somebody who's in regular geometry would not have this. It does show up in the ACT sometimes. Law of sines and law of cosines. Law of sines and law of cosines. Cosines. And what you will first notice is these triangles are not necessarily right triangles, but they have a numbering system. You have an angle C, and it'll sit opposite the side little c. Angle A, whoops, I'll put it on the outside, be consistent, and go A, opposite little a. Angle B, opposite side B. So angle A across from side A. Angle B across from side B. Angle C across from side C. And that's the lettering system. Law sines will be sine of the angle A over side A would equal sine of angle B over side B would equal sine of angle C would be over the side C. Now you might only need these two for your problem, or those two for your problem, or those two for your problem. I will do two of the problems in your homework and tell you which other ones to do. For level 7, we will write this rule right down there, but having it in your notes is good also. On a level 9, we won't be telling you whether you're using, and we will tell you use law of sines. Here, use law of sines, here's the formula. Okay, do the problem. That's a level 7. Then we get to level 7 for law of cosines. Here's the rule. It's going to be law of cosines, use this rule. If it's going to be a level 9, we'll put the problem. Of course, those will still be on the page or using your notes. We won't tell you whether it's law of sines or law of cosines that you need to use. Law of cosines generically is that c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab, and then cosine c. Those two match. That should have been a little one. Now, we can change the letters, but it's going to be that same basic thing. So if we change the letters, if we said b squared, then the other letters are a and c minus 2ac, so cosine b. Or if it were a squared. So we could just write this first one, but that's just a matter of changing them around, right? So we can write just one and it means any of the three. So those are the laws. Be sure you have them written in your notes. I will go over 2 problems of each of law of sine worksheet, give you a few to try. I'll go over 2 in the law of cosines worksheet, give you a few to try. Remember, you can always call and ask questions or email or join me on Teams during any of my times. Can't seem to turn this off. This is it. Bye.